Hello, this is Ron here from Ron's RC and Tech channel. Today I'm reassembling my office here. I had just moved just this week, and everything had to come apart at the old place and put together down here at the new house. Well, not the new house, the vacation house, which is now the full-time house. And anyhow, I disconnected my speaker system I had connected to my iMac, my 27-inch 5K iMac, but you're not the star, so we're back here. So this is the, I'm going to zoom in real close here. This is the Harman Kardon speaker system, the subwoofer system that was made to match one of the first iMacs that came out, I'm going to say in the early 2000s. It had that clear look through. Remember the first iMacs? You could see all the way through them and see the internal parts. So this matches. You can see all the way through the speaker here. Even the power unit here, you can see all the way through it. See all the innards to it. Now this is a USB system. This is you plug this, the USB coming out of the subwoofer into your computer. You then connect the left and right speakers up with your standard, I guess you call this mini plug. I don't know what you call that plug. The standard audio plug into the back here of the subwoofer. It has a in, out, a left and a right here. And then you plug the power brick into a power outlet, and then the other end of it has the, I don't know what connector you call that, these three prongs. They plug into the back of the subwoofer. Let's see here, right here. Hope you can see that. And then this button here, this is just something, I don't remember exactly what that adjusted, probably the bass. So this system here, as back up, try to get it all up. This system here is, again, maybe almost 20 years old. I mean, definitely over 15, almost 20. And it still works. It sounds great after all these years. It kind of doesn't exactly match the iMac anymore, because the iMacs are no longer see-through plastic. But it still is a great sound system, especially for a computer. And there was no reason to ever upgrade or get a new one, really. Outside of this being a Harman Kardon, I don't know if it had another sub name. It was the Harman Kardon iMac Edition. I don't know what the full name was, but said it has great sound even all these years later. And so I just wanted to show you guys it before I got it all connected. And as a bonus footage here is also the Blue microphone, the Blue Snowball microphone, which is also quite a few years old at this point. Maybe, definitely over 10, maybe 15 years old. I purchased this. I think I purchased both these products at the old CompUSA, which used to be a super electronics store in much of the U.S. This is starting to get a little yellow on top. It was whiter when it was new, but kind of cleaned up a little bit. I got some of the yellowness off of it, but it still works great too. It's a USB mic. There's the standard USB connector. You just plug in your computer, and on a Mac it needs no software at all. You just plug it in and it just works. I don't know if you need drivers on the Windows side, but I use it for my weekly YouTube shows, and nobody's ever complained about the sound, so I guess it's doing pretty good. So again, that's a little bonus there. So I don't want to ramble in here. I just wanted to show everybody that the old Harman Kardon iMac subwoofer system is still alive and well, and still serving its purpose after all these years. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.